Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up and optimize a dual monitor configuration for streaming or content creation, follow these step-by-step instructions for maximum productivity. Step 1. Gather the necessary equipment including 2 monitors, appropriate cables, HDMI, DisplayPort, or DVI, and verify your computer has sufficient video outputs for dual monitors. Step 2. Connect your first monitor to your computer using the appropriate cable. Connect it to the primary video output port on your graphics card. Step 3. Connect your second monitor to an available video output on your graphics card. Use the same type of connection if possible for consistency. Step 4. Power on both monitors and your computer. Your operating system should automatically detect both displays. Step 5. On Windows, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. You'll see both monitors represented as numbered rectangles that you can arrange. Step 6. Drag the monitor icons to match your physical setup. Place them side by side or stacked depending on how you've positioned your actual monitors. Step 7. Select each monitor and set the appropriate resolution by clicking on the display and scrolling down to Resolution. Choose the native resolution for best quality. Step 8. Designate your primary monitor for main content viewing and streaming output. In Display Settings, select one monitor and check. Make this my main display. Step 9. Use your secondary monitor for production tools, chat windows, streaming software controls, and monitoring dashboards. This keeps your main screen clean for content. Step 10. For streaming applications like OBS, configure which monitor to capture by selecting Display Capture Source and choosing the specific display. Place streaming controls and monitoring tools on your secondary display. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.